Let's take a look at Z Fold3. Folded is a powerful Galaxy smartphone, and unfolded, it's got a 7.6-inch pixel-perfect AMOLED Infinity Flex display. The screen feels like...
Whoa. Did you feel that?
I know, right? And now watch this. Dynamic AMOLED, 2x super smooth 120Hz display, up to twice as fast as most 60Hz mobile screens. On the cover screen and the main screen. This is edge of your seat gaming.
Literally.
Okay, moving swiftly on. Jumping to the next app is easy. Lots of the most popular apps are optimized for Galaxy Z series. And with multi-views enhanced layout, you can see even more content within a single app.
Oh, did you see the link I sent you?
I'll just drag and split, and voila! Multi-window lets me view up to 3 apps at once. And behind the screen, a breakthrough hinge mechanism gives Fold3 its flex mode, so it can sit on its own at any angle, from 75 to 115 degrees.
Love that you can use it hands-free.
Same here. And another new feature I'm loving, it's the first foldable device that's S Pen compatible. Smooth, responsive, with a softer, retractable tip. Taking notes is easy. It's a brilliant combo.